Fellow Ambazonians, I dey send this message for public consumption. Make una share am far and wide, as much as una fit share am. Dem talk say, if snake bite you, you see millipede, make you run. The things dem wey dey kill the Ambazonian revolution, na things dem wey we dey take am for granted. My name na Capo Daniel, the Deputy Defense Chief of the Ambazonian Defense Forces. For my own country people dem, na me, Sense Pass King, Lukong, I don come again for una. This time, for come address some ABC things dem wey we don dey take am for granted. The lies and propaganda wey be so obvious for we. Sometimes dem, we dey sit down quiet, we no know say na that same thing dey kill we. Wetin wey I dey talk am about na the thing dem wey Leonard Nanje Nakeri Nambere e dey waka talk am. For man wey no know, the former Ambazonian General Nambere, dem don dey take dey put am for CRTV and for all TV network dem and for social media for La République du Cameroon and things dem wey we Ambazonian dey would watch am for WhatsApp for begin spill out La République du Cameroon propaganda and outright lies regarding the leader of our revolution, Dr. Cho Ayaba. Even though for any man wey dey reason, these lies dem may be very obvious, but for the sake, for the small one them among us, and the one wey dem be vulnerable, where they easily believe these lies, or anything where they see am for social media, then talk say stitch in time, save 10. So, for person wey no know, for the small one that amongst us where this type of propaganda and lie them wey Nambere dey make am, it confuse them, make una know one thing. Leonard Nanje Nakeri Nambere na a prisoner of war. La République du Cameroon, they are already catch it. Na Success Nkongo, that dealer, that 419 pastor, if una remember, una don see video them for Success Nkongo, where he be there for Nigeria, he go take woman them, marry woman them, sleep them for hotel, make their video, use them for blackmail them for in front their husband for take money. When I also see video for Success Nkongo, how he dey for hotel, he sleep for hospital, he dey cry, he pretend for make video, say he dey suffer here in woman and picking them for take and back money for Ambazonia. When I remember, time where we be catch Success Nkongo and Nambere for Yaoundé, where they get meeting with the French ambassador, his security head, where na be the assistant ambassador for La République du Cameroon from France, together with Eli Smith, where he work for the Catholic Church, na the middleman, where they use them for disarm our soldier them and for convince our soldier them, me they accept me the Catholic Church, he move them for battlefield. So, without a doubt, when I know very well, say Success in Congo, na 419 pastor, where he don't go take money for La Republic, go sell Nambere. This one are people them way they care only about their own stomach. They don't mind how many people they don't die. They don't mind the suffering of our people them and the slavery who they did for inside La Republic. Just like say in need for remember people them, Nambere he did for day, he no fit go back for Nigeria, go see a woman. La République du Cameroon, they know say he be done kill gendarme because he be done fight. Na fight away down fight for ground. He be done kill La République army, and their law, their code of conduct na say they go kill he. The only reason why Nambere is still there alive today, na because of this struggle he never finish. Leonard Nambere, he be a wanted man, both by the Ambazonian forces and La République du Cameroon forces. He no fit go back for Nigeria, go see a woman, and they no fit levy me waka for day freely without La République du Cameroon escort. The reason why La République then go bribe Nambere me come for inside La République, now for UZ for track down our forces them for ground zero, and for UZ for talk for fighter them for try for fool them, me they abandon their gun them, surrender into La République, me then destroy them, and for continue for keep Ambazonia as a captured people. Any man where he gets small sense, he go understand. Say every time when Nambere he come off outside, anytime when Nambere he talk something or he do something, na La Republique du Cameroon, they tell a thing for do am because na a captured person, no be a person where he be free. So normal man would not say anything where he talk am, na for lie, and I think for can spoil Ambazonian revolution. But it day as a day, since our people then like entertainment and they listen for people then like Nambere, he lies them. I say make I take my time for remind them. Say whatever Nambere it talk am, na lie where it be meant for destroy Ambazonian and for put confusion for our people them. At one time, our people they be vulnerable, so that they be lie them say even General Ivor, he be the work for La Republique. They be lie them say even General Ivor he need to fight, but we know say we get multiple testimony for our forces them where they talk the battle them way General Ivor here and today our supreme commander of the ADF General Ifang they be done carry out battles from Teke, Kumba, Batipu, all kind place you are name am. And at the same work with General Ifang they do am with the attack the way they would get for Matanzem with the Red Beret of the ADF, our new stabilization force. The ADF them they would fight against La Republique all across our national territory. I think the forces them for ground zero they fit testify. One easy way for know whether some man they work for La Republique or not. Now the fact say if he give gun for person me go fight. La Republique their agents them they fit give una money for chop, they fit give you bribe, they fit do whatever they fit do am, but they no go ever give you gun. Make you go fight the army of La Republique. From all soldiers for ground zero, there is no group in Ambazonia where you never receive gun from the ADF. The ADF, now the reason why we would dey for place where they today, they fight successfully for be able to carry gun. Now the first camp, the first training, the pioneers them for this struggle. Now ADF then train them. When I see the video, had the defense chief Benedict Kwa, he and the deputy Che Kavi, then go for ground zero. They train and recruit fighters. Cho Ayaba done the fight for Ambazonia even before this struggle once start. For any person for fit think or imagine say Ayaba Cho the work for La Republique, it dey a person where fit think say Jesus Christ it the work for Satan. Of course, na lie, it no fit ever be possible. Dr. Cho Ayaba na the hope for Ambazonian liberation as his strategy and a belief in arms for the defense of our people and the fighting for our liberation na the key to us making our diplomatic case. As a youth, Dr. Cho Ayaba, he don't stand for Ambazonia and stand for justice. He be dismissed for university. It come out, he fight for inside for broke the bridge for Mongo Bridge, then fight for release Ebenezer Akwanga, then create the youth wing of Southern Cameroon, then launch Sokadef together with Akwanga. Now then be start for preach self-defense. Now he go for ground for launch self-defense. And a patriot where a loyalty for Ambazonia it be unquestionable. Any man where stand in the talk say Ayaba Cho the work for La Republique, na either person where he lack information or he lack knowledge or understanding for the Ambazonian War of Liberation. But any man where he get reasoning, he no say those things that we Nambere, he talk am na lie. So make our people them when I know begin listen for people where they work for La Republique. Their main reason for talk now for bring confusion for the vulnerable people them and try for misdirect them so that they will attain their goal. As Nambere he don't talk their goal now for destroy the Ambazonian revolution so that Ambazonia will remain a captured people for La Republique because they now already received their own bribes. I think say we will try to call some refugees them for Nigeria where success Congo he come. He show them a receipt for $30,000 when a money where they be bribe Nambere for try to convince some refugee them for Nigeria. Subsequently, I go try to release some of those audios or interview some of those people them just so that maybe we educate the one the way then they amongst us where they be confused by listening to this propagandist for La Republique du Cameroon, Mr. Leonard Nanje Nakeri Nambere. My country people them na last fight be fight. Would I enter a stage for our war where the diplomatic channels them it then begin be overwhelming with a lot of good messages and a lot of positive feedback from our international partners. The pressure for La République du Cameroon, it be too much. Their only hope now for try for demonstrate for their own partners, them say that they win the war, but we not say that they lost and would they win. So make we continue the fight. We could intensify our operation, them as I talk. So today a day for national mourning. The 11th of February, we will cry the time where La République du Cameroon then put a nail for the coffin for our sovereignty by trying to suppress, annex, and recolonize our people them. Today we don't rise for fall no more. We must exert our sovereignty over our territory to make sure say no future generation of our people them go through the subjugation, torture, humiliation in the hands of a foreign army like we go through today in the hands of La République du Cameroon. Now independence or nothing. God bless you now.